Montgomery Ace. It's just like Enterprise Square. This is just like Enterprise Square.
I know, it looks cool.
Yep, it's exactly like Enterprise Square, yes. Doesn't it feel like a department store?
Oh, yes, it does.
Oh yes, this is exactly like Enterprise Square. Like you said. Oh, look at that. Both indicators are lit.
Cool. I'm sure you're going to want a solo ride on this.
Yeah,
too.
definitely. Check this out.
I want to switch sides. And then I'm going to go down on 1 and get off at 3, and then you can take your solo ride.
Sure, no problem. Yeah, because I really want to hear the motor on this. The ball's burned out.